Hey, 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 come on in. Bellmy Cherry's here. Y'all already see this face has already gotten started. Check out the video of the base. I'm just coming here real quick to create this eye look with you guys today. If y'all could guess which foundation I use on the face today and what the face looks like. Is it matte? Is it luminous? Is it oily? Is it dry looking? I have not even set my face or missed my face. But off the rip with all the powder and the setting, does my face look matte or luminous? Y'all tell me in the comment below. And look out for that video of the face. So, enough rumbling, let me get to the eyes. I have been wanting to use this palette in my collection. I have bought it months ago, and this is the Nomad by Juvia's Place, and this is what it looks like. Beautiful palette. We all know what Juvia's Place palette performs like, and I can't wait to use it. I like the grunginess of the greens, the browns. This green, yo, that and this doo-doo looking green is right up my alley. Let me pull out everything that I need, and then we'll get this eye popping. Additional to the palette, I am also pulling out this liquid eyeshadow Conte that I also purchased when I did get me my Culture palette from Juvia's Place. This is from the Culture collection. I never got to use it. I didn't even use it with that palette either. They did come out with several liquid toppers like this, and I am gonna pair it up with this palette, although it's from two different collections, but it's the same brand, and we're determined to create a look with them today, and let's get to it. On my eye, I somewhat have concealer, but I want to build it up a little more because I want these colors to pop. And I want that nice thick base. And or do I even want to use this? I think I have something else to use. This, I'm going to use this. I don't know about that, but I want to try it. Let me mix the two together. Yeah, it's good. Let me pull you guys closer. So we have the lighter color in the mid part and the more skin-like one on the outer part. It's nicely blended. I am on to something today. Starting with this concealing. Like, I didn't even expect this, y'all. I actually did not. It spontaneously came into my brain. All right. So we have that. I'm gonna go ahead and set my eye with, I need a very light, soft powder. And I'm gonna go back to, you know what powder I have? I did get this from KVD a long time ago as a simple size. Was this from TJ? I don't even think. I think this was from these little packages, birthday packages from Sephora at some point. I'm gonna just set it like that. We are on to something. And I'm gonna press it with my sponge. I love this color. I'm gonna start with this shade, and then this one, and then we'll get into the deeper shades as we go. We're gonna put this color. Oh, that feeling I just got, like my stomach for those who don't know, who are new here, when I'm excited, especially when it comes, this is when I know I'm in love with eyeshadows. Every time I'm doing my makeup, the time for me to do my eye, popping on a shade that excites me, you know that feeling when you see someone you have a crush and your stomach starts feeling weird and funny? That's what I have every time. If I don't have that feeling, it's whatever. And those whatever feelings be whatever. But then these feeling right here, oh wow, I almost do not want to mess this creamy shade up. Y'all see it? Listen. I'm gonna pull it all the way into this part here, although that shimmery liquid topper I'm gonna use probably will just steal the spotlight. I just want to have this all over. It is so pretty. Okay, let's go on to this one, which is more of a, I'm not gonna say mustard, but it's like a grungy yellow. I'm gonna go in with the same brush onto my brow bone lightly. All right, oh my God. All right, let's get a smaller brush and go into the deeper shades. This, I think I'm really gonna like this one. Oh my God, I like it. Are you guys close enough? Oh, man. Let me go back to my favorite shade. Okay. Now, are these shades dark enough to match this shade here? This has some pinkish and gold and greenish on there. But what I'm gonna do, and yes, I'm gonna do it, this shade right here, this dark one, I'm gonna put it down as a base on the lid. And then I'm gonna put the liquid shadow over it. And then we're gonna build that other orangey shade all around. Gives it more sense now to just build it around this grungy green. I don't think it's showing as pronounced on camera, and but I like it. I really do like it. Hope y'all get to see the true situation I got going on. Going into the liquid shadow, I'm gonna use a brush instead of this top, perhaps the other side. Let me kind of roughly remove the shades from here. The same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the liquid shadow and somewhat saturate the tip of my brush with it like this, and then tap it on there. Was not expecting that, but okay. Ooh. That same green, I'm gonna deepen the outer part with it, with the same glitter. Hope it all makes sense. I like what I see. I'm gonna let it dry down, and some way, somehow, it somewhat matches my blush. And everything connects once again, just how I like it. Everything got distributed nicely from the brush to the lid. Didn't have much trouble with this glitter or liquid highlighter at all. This is I don't know if I said the name, Conte from Juvia's Place is what we used. I'm gonna go ahead and do my wings and put on my lashes, finish up the rest of the face. Don't forget to check the full face video on another video. It may either be before this one, or most likely it's gonna be before this one, so do check that out. I'll put the card up top here, here, for y'all to see. And if it's after this one, I don't know. Y'all see the both of them. Don't forget to subscribe while you guys are here. Let me finish off and I will be right back. All right, guys, I'm just coming back to finish up with the eyes. We lined up, wings on. One thing I noticed, once this liquid eyeshadow dries down, do not touch it. Do not use brush around it because it'll easily flake off. It happened on this lid when I went to add more of this orangey shade around it. It just left a big gash, so be aware of that and be careful. Just apply it and let it be and allow it to shine. Okay, lower lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and use this green that I did not get to use on the bottom lid, tightly on the waterline, like that. Let me pull you guys closer. Y'all see how pretty. It's so pretty. I'm not even putting it inward or into the waterline. I'm gonna go in within the waterline, this yellow, and it has speck of shimmers on it. Same brush, I brushed off the green. Let's dab into that yellow and put it right here on the inner part. Maybe if I had put a teensy bit of that primer there and allowing that yellow to really shine. Let me do just that. Although we already finalized everything on the face, we're just gonna put a dot and lightly spread it out. Where is that concealer? Here it is, that white concealer from e.l.f. Literally the name is white. See that spot right there? This side has more, but we get the idea. And let's go back with that yellow again. That's what I'm talking about. The yellow shows up, but I really wish it was much more of a powwow. Okay, we'll just let it be. And yeah, we're gonna put mascara and I'll be back with the final face. Okay, end of it all. Eyes are superbly done. I don't know what I was waiting to finally use this palette, although well, time is what I needed. So the time has come. I finally got to use my Nomad Palette by Juvia's Place. Stunning shades. This color is gonna be done from this palette before everything else, because that color is too rich again and again. Unfortunately, I didn't get to use some shades in here. This brown, this beige color here, I didn't get to use, but look, this, y'all could see how much I went into it. It's already, you know, it's roughed up. Really love this palette. Late to the party with the Nomad palette, I know. When I did buy it, they did mention that this is a new packaging, which I think she kind of lied to me, because going back to the old packaging, it looks the same to me. I don't know if it looks any different to you guys, but yeah, that's what we have. And hope you enjoyed how this eye was created. Hope you enjoyed the little tweaks and tricks that I implemented with this, and on top of that grungy green shimmer, along with this Juvia's Place liquid eyeshadow, Conte. And yeah, let me know in the comment how you like this eye look. And I'm sure, which brown skin girl does not have this Nomad palette? And if you decluttered yours, you a fool. You are to keep this palette for years to come and use it. Enjoying my palette. I will grab for this definitely again, because I want to use that brown along with these other shades, like a all matte everyday look with these brown and the beige and everything. So we'll see how that goes. And everything else on the face, y'all, like I said, do check out the previous video for the face, and hopefully you guys enjoy what I did, and hopefully I'm onto something. I don't know where I stand as of yet, but I definitely felt the difference from what I did normally do originally with the foundation on the face versus what I did today. So do check that out. Let me know. Let's talk about it, okay? Tell me what I did right. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me where I'm, you know, going crazy. Let's do that. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And thank you for your time for watching, and stay safe. I love you. Bye-bye.